G'day, my name's David Williams. I'm the CEO of CEACA.
Rivers and Ranges Community Leadership.
The Alexandra Group Officer.
Rotary Club of Alexandra.
This morning's conference has been really interesting about engaging more with this community, increasing people's knowledge about disaster resilience.
One of the things I'm planning to do is work with the local brigade, CFA and SES to reintroduce bushfire planning and emergency planning workshops at our neighbourhood house.
Hi, I'm Shannon, I'm from the Alexandra SES.
And I'm Peter, I'm from the Alexandra SES as well.
So it's great to network with some local groups. It's about trying to coordinate all together and get the same message in. And it's about educating people before a big disaster happens.
I'm Nigel Little, I'm the principal of Alexandra Secondary College. So one of the things out of today is just going back to school and then from there see what we can do with the CFA and SES to present our kids to get that knowledge back to their families and into our community better.
Since the last conference, I have had conversations with my board and staff, and we will run emergency preparedness and planning workshops later on this year.
One idea to take back to our club is the idea of scheduling a yearly presentation on resilience that we can invite members of the community and leaders of the community.
It's a big thing to get the younger generation involved so they're aware of what's going on around them.
Hopefully make it a part of the child's upbringing to be resilient and be proactive before an event comes along.
One good thing from this conference is that other leaders from other groups within the community will really support us, and hopefully we'll get some good attendance at those planning workshops.
I've certainly appreciated the opportunity of coming to this seminar. It's been a very worthwhile time, and I certainly hope that we can do it again. Thanks.